Hi guys, in this video we will see how to add a website link to your Facebook page. You can easily add any website link of your Facebook page. To do so, open Facebook on your system and click on your profile icon from the top right corner. Click on it, then choose your profile. Click on profile picture and your profile page will now open. Here scroll down and go to About from the top menu bar. Click on About. A list of options will appear on left side. Here choose contact and basic info. Click on contact and basic info. Click on it. Now scroll down and you will find add website and social links. Add a website. Click on this link and here enter your website address. For example, we will put www.tipshowto.com. This is my site address. So this should be format of your website address www.tipshowto.com and finally click on save. Under website and social links, click on save. Now your website has successfully added to your Facebook page under about section. Click on round circle and here you will choose select audience, friends or public and choose done. Now this link will open. Right click on it and choose open link in a new tab and this will successfully open and your website link has been also successfully added to your Facebook page.